Meggy. I'm a brand ambassador for a company called Secret Scrunch. They make these cool scrunchies that have zippers on them so you can keep anything small inside them. Like, say,
lip gloss.
Or this pencil.
A key.
Or a key, yeah. You could definitely keep a key in there. You could
Cash.
Yep, cash.
Keep it safe.
Yeah, that reminds me of the time at the glow party. I didn't have any pockets in my dress, so I had to put my money in my shoe. Not great. So
not safe.
Yeah, not safe. All right. Let's get opening, and this is my brand ambassador box since I'm an ambassador. I've heard lots of fun surprises are in here. Ooh, look, a little fancy thank you card. Welcome aboard. Congrats on joining the Secret Scrunch team. Our mission is to encourage others to embrace themselves with love as they conquer the world. I hope these scrunchies remind you of your confidence as you soar to new heights. Love, Lauren. She is the person who started Secret Scrunch. There are so many scrunchies in here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, whatever it is, it looks awesome. Is this a scrunchy sticker?
Oh, cool. I love it.
And then there's a bunch of these.
You could hook those to your bag. And you could hook a scrunchie to your bag.
Oh, yeah. These are awesome.
What shape are they?
They're hearts.
Show me one. Nifty.
Yep. And I love the sticker. I've got to put this someplace special. I will be showing you many scrunchies. This one is so soft. And I found the zipper. For all of you non-believers, here you go. Impressive, right? Well, there's loads more. We're just getting started. Because that's what always happens at Secret Scrunch.
Very pretty.
This is another one of those very soft ones. These very big ones are also very soft. This one's a pretty color. I really like this. Ooh. Oh, this one's the softest one yet.
I like that color.
It's awesome. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh. Whoa, ASMR. When you rub it, ASMR, am I right? Whoa, this is very fall. And by the way, this was filmed in the fall. October 5th? 6th?
6th.
I don't know what day it is.
Same.
Pink! My favorite color, obviously. Super pink one. This is amazing. So totally awesome. This is velvet. I love velvet. It's so soft. And as you can see, I have a big pile of scrunchies right here because there's so much.
Maybe you should start a second pile.
Ooh. That's awesome. Ooh, and a black one. Always make sure that you've got enough on, especially Halloween. Ooh, another pink one. Ooh, wow. It's got this amazing texture. Ooh, same for this one. Ooh, big surprise down here. What is this?
Do you know what that is?
No, I do not, but it's very cool, whatever
It is well, I'll help you put it together. It's a scrunchie holder. So you can stack your scrunchies up.
I've been wanting one of those. That's awesome. Whoa.
Cool.
Soft. Yeah, good vibes. Ooh, same thing here. I've got a bunch of these clips. Ooh, pink, big, and soft. It's calling my name. Gotta love this one. Sparkly. Cool. And black goes with everything. And one last scrunchie.
Wow.
All right, guys, that's everything. I hope that you've had a ton of fun, and hopefully you buy from Secret Scrunch and you can get some of these, because honestly, all of this is awesome.
What's your discount code for Secret Scrunch? Do you remember?
Meggy 15, Meggy.
That's right, Meggy 15.
I hope to see that you ordered soon. Bye.